My name is Kurt Nielsen. I'm CEO of Partisia and co-founder of Partisia Blockchain. We created Partisia Blockchain based on 4 or 5 years of research, which resulted in the first breakthrough of a new technology called Multi Party Computation. And from the very beginning, we had this feeling and belief that this was a breakthrough in digitalization. And that was the starting point of Partisia. It was an early stage technology, and we see today how powerful this technology is. I have been working with commercializing and innovation in advanced cryptography, multi-party computation and blockchain in particular. And my professional background is in design of markets, information system, as well as data analytics. So we have been working on a number of different applications since we started in 2008 and improved the basic technologies and put that to work in auctions and data solutions. And it is this development and legacy that we bring to Partisia Blockchain and the basic foundation for Partisia Blockchain. Yeah, it's the legacy and the 10 years of development and implementation of multi-party computation and blockchain that brought us to Partisia Blockchain. And this legacy gives us a competitive edge in 3 dimensions. First of all, it's about bringing privacy to blockchain, which is the ability to compute directly on encrypted data. Second, it's about interoperability, which is the ability to move data as well as values in the form of tokens from one blockchain to another. And finally, it's about scalability, which is the ability to address any congestion in the network by scaling up the capability of the network, and also in an environmental friendly way. This is basically what gives us the competitive edge, and in terms of terminology that is used in the blockchain, it's about fast block creation and finalization, that the transaction is really final on the blockchain. And then it's about scalability again, which is about the ability to increase the capability of the network, and the privacy component, which is the ability to compute on any private information and include confidential information into the smart contracts on the blockchain. And finally, it's about a new approach to token bridging, which is the interoperability, where we have a more secure way to move values from one blockchain to another. I think a good use case is the market for data, where the technology basically allows you to not sell the data, but rather sell the use of the data. So that could, as an example, be a clinical trial where you generate data and you basically provide that to the clinical trial and become a part of the whole data economy around development of new treatments in the healthcare sector. And this is actually an example of what we have already do today with some of the largest healthcare providers and pharmacy companies in the world. I truly believe that the privacy that we bring to blockchain is a fundamental component for Web 3.0, because if you cannot control the data, you'll never get this user-centric network, which is the whole idea behind Web 3.0. And we believe that this is enabling developer teams to build solutions that will empower the users and provide a more fair distribution of the wealth generated in the advertisement business as well as the data economy. So I've actually been working with this technology for more than 15 years, and I still feel the same excitement about the potentials for this technology, because it's very rare that you have technology that's fundamentally changed the way we work with information. But with multi-party computation combined with blockchain, you actually have the capability to control data, which is going to, I believe, to disrupt what is currently the disruptors in the economy, because now we can actually have a user-centric, data-driven economy where the users use this technology to bring or to take back control of data and provide a new foundation for the data-driven economy and digitalization in general. So we are here located at the IT City in Aarhus, which is a collaboration between the computer department at Aarhus University, which is well famous for its faculty, and with an incubator where you have startups working closely together with the researchers. And this is actually the sort of melting pot that is super valuable for a company like Partisia. So we have one of the largest or the strongest group in cryptography sitting door to door with developers, and this has been going on for more than 15 years, and it's kind of a mutual value chain. So we provide in with new use cases and for the researchers to fundraise for new basic research, and that goes into new protocols. So there's an ongoing circular economy. I believe the secret sauce is the team behind, and the team that is covering all aspects of our business. It's from the design of mathematical provable protocols to commercial grade software development to applications at the end. And another part of this is the world-renowned experts involved in the project, which is also educating the next generation of cryptographers that could become employees at Partisia and Partisia Blockchain. And that is kind of the full circle together with the community around Partisia Blockchain, where developer teams from around the world will come in and bring new use cases of this basic technology. We are very grateful for our community, and we thank the growing numbers of node operators from around the world, which is a very sort of basic first step to get the network live. And we already see now the number of developer teams that is coming in and developing applications on top of the network. And I truly believe that they will come in and they will develop applications that we didn't even think about, that will utilize these capabilities of privacy, interoperability in a scalable way.